Hi, you're in my kitchen. I got my dish drainer full of crap. You know how it is. But anyway, what I want to show you is how I clean the polishing pads. This ought to piss off a lot of people. I got lots of polishing pads and they got gunk all over them. So what I do, and this includes my scrubby pads. I fill up the sink and I use a little bit of dish soap. And I put my pads in. I put these face down. These go face down. That's what I do. And I let them soak for a while. Look at me abusing the dish soap thing. Oh, darn. Works really good for me. Alrighty, let's take a look. Yeah, those are starting to look good. It's been about 45 minutes since it's all been in the water upside down. This has got a little bit of soap in it, but that's okay. I'll show you what we're gonna do. That one's looking pretty good. At least that gunk is off of there. That had a lot of gunk on it. Much better. Okay, gonna let that soak a little while longer, then we'll take it out, refill it with some clean water and let them soak. Maybe just kind of work some of the soap that got into them or anything, get it out of there, and then we're gonna set them up to dry. Now I'm going to put them in some water, no soap, and let them soak. Then we'll just kind of squeeze them out and make sure we're getting all the ick out of them. Alrighty, friends. This has been in the water for about 45 minutes. It's been a crazy day. I've been able to do all of these videos. Look at that. Ain't that cool? I do too much playing. Okay. And let the water out. Let's let this drain off. Alright, so all I'm going to do is squeeze them. I'm not going to do anything else to them. And I'm just going to squeeze them this way. I don't squeeze them where you fold it in. I don't do that. I don't do that because I don't want to weaken the integrity of the Velcro. I put them laid out on the towel. So that's all you do, just lay them out. I will probably leave these here for, I'm gonna say probably the next 2 or 3 days, and I will probably swap out the towel. This is just an old dish towel I had, and I use these to, kind of put these things on. So that's what we'll do. So there you go, friends. That's how I care for the polishing pads. I just wash them in the sink. A lot of detailers will actually throw them in the washer. I only throw my little ones for the drill into the washer. These being the bigger 5 and 6 and 7 inch, I don't want to damage the integrity of this. So I just wash them by hand, and it takes about an hour and a half or so because I leave them in the soapy water for 45 minutes and then I put them in clean water for 45 minutes, but I don't have to stand over the sink, you know what I mean? So I do want to point out, I also do this for my scrubby pads. Some people will throw those into the washer as well. The reason that I don't is because they have a tendency to get lost. I have lost a couple of them. I have no idea where they go. They're kind of like socks. So, stay tuned for my video on washing my towels, caring for them, deciding how they go, and all of that. But I did want to do the video on the polishing pads because a viewer requested it. So, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, we'll see you later.